In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change mouse controls in Fusion 360. If you've ever felt that navigation in Fusion 360 doesn't quite match what you're used to in other CAD tools, this quick adjustment will make a big difference. By changing the mouse controls, you can match the pan, zoom, and orbit behavior to popular presets so your muscle memory works for you, not against you. Start by opening the preferences. Look to the top right corner of the Fusion 360 window and click the profile icon. From the menu that appears, choose Preferences. This opens a separate dialog where you can set up how Fusion behaves across your environment. In the Preferences dialog, make sure the General tab is selected in the left sidebar. If you're seeing a different section, just click General to bring it into focus. This is where the global navigation and interaction options are organized, so the change you make here will apply across your projects. Now locate the drop-down labeled Pan, Zoom, Orbit shortcuts. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll a bit, but it's in the navigation area of the general settings. This drop-down controls how your mouse and common key combinations handle view navigation, specifically how you pan across the canvas, zoom in and out, and orbit around your model. Choosing the right setting here aligns Fusion 360's behavior with what you already know. Next, pick the preset that matches the software you're most comfortable with. You'll see options like SolidWorks, Tinkercad, and Inventor. These presets are designed to mimic the navigation feel from those programs. For example, if you're transitioning from SolidWorks, selecting the SolidWorks preset helps you keep your existing habits without having to relearn basic motions. If you're a Tinkercad user moving into a more advanced tool, choosing the Tinkercad preset makes the jump feel familiar. And if you've used Inventor in the past, the Inventor preset keeps things consistent. Once you've chosen your style, apply the changes. Click Apply or OK in the Preferences dialog to confirm. Your selection is saved, and you can immediately test it by returning to the canvas and trying a quick pan, a zoom, and an orbit around your model. You should feel the difference right away. That's all there is to it. You can come back to this menu anytime if your workflow changes or you move between different machines. Keeping your navigation consistent is a simple way to stay efficient and focused on your design.